in Sibotum. Because the AKF, Kayabo Modern, and spend fiscal prudence near the but in Sibotum, and no, Omokasa, say.
Oh, said the old can say, be a saying ordinary person, you know.
That's right.
Who see a feeling.
That's
because
right.
Because economy improving, no one is also on one day.
That's right.
Because so took on a one yak, Sicadia trial all of it.
Sir.
Na sabi when you have been to do with Ratro. Now we are in so a Cardiac Hospital. But the woman is a sabi, a might be in Honomo bar, obey Sicadia Chese, Obi 1,000 as well. Okay. A Maria, a woman, dear, a bino, Butaya, and I said, Nasudi, and I said, Obama be a friend, say economic indicators. No,
okay,
are stable.
Okay,
what does it?
Okay,
inflation, where from exchange rate, be stable. Na foreign reserve said the buyer, I pursue a cotton amount until be handled or Benyabi. Yakani, a wood, the individual, and a woman. Okay, so by your own wire, Jumadin. Okay, na a brandy dobiano, Subenya Usika. Okay, Sabi, so if you say Mrana, a name of Buana is Cosono. So who could 10 Ghana cities and 1,000 Ghana cities? I dare now bet me the ato. A Mrano, a name of Boa Cosso Baby, and this Ambre, who could 1,000 cities, I dare bet me the atom. Said if you say, don't know assistant. And if you say, as I say, in idea, who Jim, no be a baby, no idea. Oh, yeah, okay. Na Sabi, won't for one in Kotu, Sikaba, because said they could do a manonia, Buchenia, there. You won't to me a Juma Bear me and San and Nino. Okay. Rodinia, Sikano, Timberfi, Bay, and man. So I've been a was a Hanmon. Yes, good. But dear Bacoman, when he said, Ghana, a dear Anima Cosroa, Yana, most of the traders in Biblian person bedding. On Betiso. And only a dear me fee say, as I say, Ghana for no the but I know so no idea was say ye mad for no do na so ye nyina ye betimi atry na ye betimi ade other businesses so beba e be create competition na se be ade na wo ton so obi nso ton bi na obi etene de so a se wontimi nchenchina anka sa wo de no so mane bo na ye den sa nti ho na wo se ye hwe se wo hwe se eduru ba bia na transport for no omo anwumre bi wo ho no mo a na omo aheda na okọju so kra na o se me kwa Amraga Junction odu Amraga Junction na no wasan alo to tech odu tech na wasan se okọ body what I say yes you say aban no so the 400 million a year to one more they were better bus sakese a e dey be ma metro mass transit ne other government ayifo no so baboa ama ya tima provide transport ade ba ko nan kame de nan kame hwe ne senka ban no betimi aye railway system no okay railway system no na yesenka obi tikuma se kra na obetimi aye adwuma won kran okay so be factory the content no obi di tamale obetimi akwa adwuma won kran and be ma development metimi aba good from
Mira my Mr. we say Koko Akuafo ensemomoka buy promises over more of 70% of the FOB price na ekwebi eche no sika na IBB e ho na ya ka ho nsem the government say or say Mr. Speaker, to modernize the governance and financing of the sector, government will submit a new cocoa board bill to Parliament to repeal and replace the Ghana Cocoa Board Act 1984, that's 1984 NDC L 81. Mr. Speaker, the proposed legislation will introduce a new producer pricing mechanism that aligns producer prices with movements in international cocoa prices. Exchange rates near their day, any international cocoa, that is where the farmers are finding it difficult to understand. Which him say?
So we hear the work can I say open market. Until you born a cosro. Ubenya esomfa so okay ebo no so ba form a ubenya wo hwe current system na na operate na beginning of the year no na price na locking no and this abroche ebo no form krampo no a still at the same price any e dey ma wo ebo no soro a wonya benefit okay because for the hedge no beginning of the season no you lock your price okay what does it okay. But with this new system no eba be to say ebo no soro obenya bono kofuma ubenya but there no so na me feel say ho ba bi nso na wasa ban no so hwe say ye betimi ama competition abam okay na nke be allow other companies to also buy at their own price.
That's right.
What does it? That's so right. That time yet to say aban no kwa na determine price okay but okay baby to be betimi to a book e wosura na ma na kwan that definitely
good so
that no so betimi me feel say ho so no ba betimi
good
amana
Mira, who vie for a a position in the NDC.
And Patrol drew on my nominations. Be nominations in the year October. Pesa me kokodi party name as a national vice chairman.
Okay.
I will Suhorum Binamus Meboa said the Baya Sabin in the end and go on the Amayan. And yes, you have Hunuka Cranny experience a Yano. Yeah. Yes, you bet me.
Okay.
Now I've been so Ghana for you.
Okay. So as a national vice chairman, office Bonami Nubia office obey ye, the assistant said the name Asico.
And you know, I may the assistant name and Yaman Kwan.
Okay, when you team,
made the pushing his said the Midi Kaka, you know. Ufia me most of my flyers, so my draw says secure the base, sustain the future.
That's right.
Naturally, say, Yetimima grassroots, no, and our full soldiers no D. I don't a party no dash in a bed and a brandy. Okay. And to be put a in and say, I buy bar and yet. Obiana bit many Juma by him. All right. And will be a bit many opportunities were by him. Okay. Intino, as I see it may boy members and near to Chuomo. All right. Ma every district and every constituency piano. Party for a bit Macam Hobo. Good. Will be a new ma. Good. A bit mamma will be answering your Juma. That's right. I say, say, I buy our do contract for road. I didn't think I ain't menu or district. All right. Now, I am Cassandra Bin soon to mean Concoye. Okay. I'm far from. Okay. Because he had a contract and home. Inside, say, Sabe, a drew by Biano Biabaje. No, net fee as a 5%, and I say, Bibi Cacran. Yes, yes. If we say, no. Okay. Okay. And the honor 1 year, if we say, okay. See it to me, boy. Okay. The toss would be only say, oh, share. Obi the bedi party next year ya juma but who lose office pe uni vote ya upon two BMC and I say CEO mediately na wonya party ya juma da krana obinya vote yes e hono so ya one area me feel say emwa say obi be ya juma ya party organizer and I say chairman for plenty years no okọ election ba ko pe no lose pe no free party oh and no ya dia me feel say as I see a when you amend the law. That's right. Now you allow more be a wire party na you hold the position beyond. That's right. Or no so to me vote. Good. Until you any party for no executive sin abeka boom. That's right. Here the petition and a proposal good for NEC to look at it. You amend the constitution. Good. Then yes MC inquire. Good. Because we bring more experience the bring so they are all losing. That's right. One of that thing I'm saying who are welfare. Okay. Say the members make call rounds who say baby or I work on a secretary no one stroke. But there is no welfare scheme. Wow. Wow. They bought a back when they say you bet my kind of you bet my set up some welfare scheme be. That's right. If possible, a bit me grown to become an insurance company. Members. That's right. Now Sebi will be a year and also a year Juma party or when it does was say Sebi at a year chamber to know or Nusubina and Faso. That's it. There's also someone who are definitely. See it mean insurance scheme be my members. Okay. Sabi private companies near Dienano. Yeah, life policy. Okay. My members. Okay. Yeah, so we are here. And that's a winter judge maybe there is some lump sum beer at the moment. And so I walk now conscious so free there is some benefit also it me great. But we know there's a the party a human ultimate so crown and now singing out to crown. Then one no be anyhow. Oh, guy be or baby or friend yeah. Oh, during campaign, they sent a string in a tutu. But for the cap and one number was less. But wait, my we need to have policies on Sunday money. Mr. Samuel Ado to Baby Biabe Kama. Well, it is Adi who knows so many ACP, Papa, Radin Papa. It's been very wonderful speaking with you. As always, said very wonderful speaking with you. And our track record, no, so, and you might be, why you be paying to say, why we could pay, or Castle Baby, be a credit to know the whole Ghana. That's right. Cooperative, cooperative by Juma. That's right. They are Greek, they are setting up cooperatives. Or they are Greek farmers in a bit more come home. That's right. A day dinner was a sabi, will be a 1 year full. And on also got a Greek input, Robert Tomanko for holding them for soccer. And Rakua farmers and a bit more come home. Now sabi input to use Romans went to me import to be. Na o ko hon mo akoye fo ba ko gibi o hon mo obetimi dia ba ho bra okay intino ye be boa se be ye betimi nya companies o money agro sellers no so be compete seriously na ma bo na ba fo na farmer bia so na timi nya the bread home for so ye. That's right. Yes. Yeah, that's a Papa. Mr. Samuel Ado O2 Esquire, private legal practitioner on Oasanso, finance committee chairman for the NDC Ewo Ashanti region. Ono ena yeneno etuche enkomono